Today we're going to show a KitchenPOWER 4.5 to 5 quart flex edge beater for KitchenAids. Now, I got this because I've been wanting to get one for a while, because my biggest problem with my KitchenAid, one of them first world problems, is scraping every little bit off the side of the pan. So here's my KitchenAid. I think it's the Artisan. No, it's the Professional 550 plus, right? And this is the beater that it comes with. Not quite the right size. So the idea is you put this on, and as it turns, this contacts the edge of the bowl, and it forms the side of the bowl, and it scrapes the side, because as I mix dough or whatever, make meatloaf or whatever, it tends to, the bottom and the sides will clump up, and it only mix stuff in the center. So this won't quite do what I wanted it to do, but it is not the fault of the KitchenPOWER people. It's my fault because I got the wrong size. And all right, William, we gonna make cupcakes?
Yeah.
Let's get the box.
What box? Oh, right here.
Let's look at the box.
Okay.
And it says we need a cup of water. Do we have a cup of water?
Yeah. We can get a cup of water.
We get a cup of water.
Because we have been paying our bills.
Then we need 1/3 cup of butter, softened. Here's butter, right?
There's your water. 1 cup.
Okay.
Put it on the counter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's alright. Just water.
Yep. First chefs always make mistakes.
And we need 3 eggs.
3 eggs. Can I crack them?
You can crack them. So,
Yeah.
up here. Remember how we did?
Watch for shells, though.
We don't just squeeze it. We pull the 2 sides together,
Yeah.
just like that. Okay, that's 1.
Okay. And then 2 more.
Watch for your eggshells now, William, okay?
Whack it good. Just whack it good. Swack it. Pop. There we go.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, that's away.
1, 2.
You know you can learn to do that with one hand, right?
I know.
Whack it good. Whack it good. There we go.
Oh.
That's a way to do it with one hand, ain't it?
Yeah, you know what I did? I busted it. I thought for a second I thought it was gonna like fall
You need
out
a
of the
spoon?
water.
Nah,
Okay.
we're good.
Okay, wash your hands really good.
Okay.
Wash your hands for messing with eggs.
But I don't know if it's gonna work. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Why don't we go back to the right sized one? And then as far as the review goes, we'll put this in the dishwasher and we'll see what it looks like.
Yeah.
I hate that's too small. Because if somebody's got a smaller one, the 4.5 or 5 quart whatever, and they want this, first come first serve. I guess if you put a comment, right? Maybe direct message me your address. I don't need it. We'll send it to you. Alright. So we're doing an experiment, aren't we, William?
Yes. And so what I did was I put chocolate chips on the bottom. So I thought like when they cook, the chocolate chips would be on the bottom.
And I don't think that's a good idea, but
Mom.
we want to try to experiment.
Yes.
So what are you going to do now, William?
Now we have to pour some of it in there.
Alright, so show me what we got. We got
Cake.
2 cakes that came from the cheesecake pans that my wife will let me make cheesecake with. And then we have a bunch of cupcakes.
Yeah, and I made these with chocolate chips on
They have
the
chocolate
bottom.
chips in the bottom. Let's look.
Yeah, see if they turn.
See chocolate chips in the bottom? Alright, try your secret recipe, see if they're any good. Turn around, let's look at the camera.
And take the paper off.
Yeah,
You know how to take the paper off?
yeah, it's easy. Everybody knows how to do that.
Let's see what it looks like without the paper. I'd like to see the bottom of it.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
okay. Wow.
Cool. Okay, show them the bottom.
So it looks like.
Oh, hold it down.
Oh.
All right, go for it.
Mmm. Good.
Is it good? All right. So you gonna eat all those? All right. All right. Here it is. I ran it through the dishwasher twice. I only needed to run it through the dishwasher once, but the reviews were talked about the paint coming off. I don't see any paint coming off. So my only issue is I should have got a bigger one. But pretty cool.